This is a prelude to my other video where I showed you everything I bought in the store, what I like to eat, all that. So today we'll be doing a cook with me meal prep type of video. Make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel right now so that you can get on the train or whatever. But yeah, so that's what we're doing today. As you can see, I'm already in the kitchen trying to get things laid out. So I'm going to be showing you how I meal prep and the food that I am meal prepping. So first thing I would do is wash my hands. So before we can start, I'm going to go ahead and take the chicken out the pack, and we just need to get it set up in the pan and go ahead and start washing it because the chicken has been sitting in the pack, and you want to make sure that any blood that was on the chicken is rinsed off before you start actually cooking or putting anything in the stove. You do not want to have any type of contaminants on the chicken. That is so disgusting. So yeah, we're gonna make sure we do that. And right here I decided to save some of the chicken just because I would not need more than 8 pieces for this week, because I was not going to be there the whole week, or I wasn't going to be eating during the weekend because I have a travel trip. So yeah, I just decided to Ziploc it up and go ahead and freeze it away. So later on you're going to see I'm going to do the same thing with the salmon because I didn't need all the salmon. So I'm only using about, I want to say 4 pieces of salmon. So we're going to go ahead and take the salmon out the pack so that we can wash it off as well. I ended up buying 2 packs of salmon just because only 3 came in the bag for the smaller packs. So that was kind of inconvenient, but it's whatever. So I'm just going ahead and taking out the singles and washing it off with water just to make sure everything is clean before I decide to cook it and season it, which you will see later on in this video. So like I said, I'm only using 4 pieces of salmon versus 8 pieces of chicken. So I'm also doing broccoli for sides, and I'm doing sweet potato fries because those are a few of the favorite things I like to eat when I'm eating healthy. And just a example of me not eating healthy is like eating a burger and fries, but for me this is a healthy meal. This is what I would generally eat on a daily basis if I was actually at home. So right now I'm going ahead and seasoning all the food. I'm going to put barbecue sauce on the chicken because I do not like baked chicken without like sauce on it. It's just weird. I don't know what it is, but yeah, your girl do not like unflavored meat. So yeah, I'm just gonna slather this on there, and then later on in the video I'm gonna add more barbecue sauce while it's cooking, just so that the sauce can kind of seep into the chicken, if you know what I mean. If you know what I mean, you know. So I'm gonna season the salmon with some other seasoning. I forgot what kind of seasoning it was that I put on there, but it was actually really good. I think I skipped that part. You guys didn't see it. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and put all the food in the stove so it can start cooking. I had to move the rack up because it was way too low in the oven. I don't know who's cooking, but yeah, we're not doing that. Alright guys, so now all the food is in the stove. Now we just gotta wait. So I'm about to put a timer on for 30 minutes, and then I'll come back and check everything, reapply sauce, etc. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this so far. But yeah, so I'm about to go sit down and eat some food that I already have while I wait and watch a movie. Here we are back after about 30 minutes. So the chicken has cooked a good amount. I actually skipped the part where I came back and or I cut it out the video of me putting the extra sauce on there. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and check the broccoli and the potatoes because the foil has been on top of it. So I decided to take it off because the broccoli wasn't all the way like soft yet. So, and I checked the salmon, it was ready. Once the salmon turns like a translucent color, you know it's ready. And I allowed the chicken to stay in the stove a little longer just for it to bake a little more. And while it did that, I went ahead and set up the bowls for organization purposes, so that when the food came out the stove, I could just go ahead and put all the food in the pan and we could be done. So I'm checking everything out the stove right now. Everyone, now that the food is prepared, I'm about to start putting them in the trays so that I can pack them up and we can get out of here. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all watch me do this. I'm not about to do this. No talking. You can basically see what I'm doing while I'm recording, and I'll probably just do some voiceover action if there is a need. Guys, so I know this video was probably pretty short, but I think it was successful. All the food ended up being good. I cooked it well, and I ended up cleaning this nasty kitchen up. I could not take it. Like, I couldn't take it, y'all. My grandma is OCD, and I'm pretty sure she imprinted on me. So yeah, I had to clean up. But yeah, so I'm done now. Food is packed up. I'm ready to go, and yeah. Hopefully you guys like this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next video.